Hello, welcome to Texture Myth. In this session, we will cover the further values from the RTVSYSVAL command. So in order to explain the same, I am taking the program in edit mode. Here you can see that we have declared three variables. So these variables I have declared by referring the IBM official website for RTVSYSVAL command. So you can also refer from here there, and there you will get to know what should be the data type, what should be the length of the variable. Okay, so once the variable declaration is done, now it's time to hit the command. So just simply write RTVSYSVAL, then press F4, and here on this screen we are supposed to pass two values. First one is the value which we want to retrieve from the system, and second one is the variable where we want to hold that value. Okay, if you want to know more about the system values and you want to find some description of that, then you can press F1 on the field, and then you will see that all the values that we can retrieve from the system are mentioned here with their description. So this is basically a help screen. Okay, so these are the values that we have already covered in our previous session. So I'm directly taking you to the value which we are going to discuss today. Okay, so yeah, this is the value. So here it is mentioned QHSTLOGSIZ. So here it is mentioned maximum number of records for each version of the history log. Valid values range from 1 to this value, or the special value start daily, which means that a new version of the history log is created each time with the date in the history log message changes, or when the current log version reaches the maximum size of the given range. Records start daily cannot be written in a decimal variable, so that so the retrieve system value command returns a value of -1. So this is very important line. Like if you are getting -1, then it means we are getting the star daily. When the system value is set to star daily, specifying a value of -1, the change system value command has the same effect as specifying star daily. Okay, changes made to the system value take effect when the next version of history log is created. Now the second value is QIGC, which means indicates whether the double byte character set DBCS version of the system is installed or not. If you are getting 0, it means it is not installed. If you are getting 1, then it is installed. DBCS version is installed. Now the third value we are going to discuss is QIGCDEFNT, which means double byte character set, coded font name. Okay, used when transforming an SNA character string SCS into an advanced function printing data stream, and when creating AFPDS, which is advanced printing data stream spool file with the shift in or shift out characters in the data. Changes made to the system value take effect immediately. So these are the description you can find from this screen, help screen, and then you can directly copy your value name and paste it here along with the variable where you want to hold the result. So likewise I'm doing for the other two values, taking F4 on RTVSYSVAL and then specifying the given value, and same for the line number 20. So once these three lines got executed, we will be able to print the values. So for printing it, I'm using sndpgmsg command. So as we know that it will not accept anything in decimal, so I'm converting the first value which is in decimal into character. Okay, and other two values are already of character type, so there is no need of any conversion. We are directly specifying in the sndpgmsg command. So just write sndpgmsg, then press F4 and then pass your value. Okay, so once these three lines got executed, we will be able to print the value. So now it's time to compile the program and see the output. So program is compiled. Now I'm calling it. So first value it is returning is -1, which is star daily. Second is 1, which is that DBCS version is installed, and this is the star none, the third value. So this is how the RTVSYSVAL command works, and you can utilize it for retrieving the given values. So I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Texture Myth.